Welcome to the video. The gang is all here. We've got our tea and it's Sunday night. Going back to work tomorrow. So anyway, I've been listing some things, and on the end of the video of the $50 bag, Billy Bob got a pair of, look at that beautiful blue topaz. I believe it's blue topaz, and they're marked 10 karat gold. I have listed these on Etsy. They're lever back, and they're marked 10K on the back of each. And it's just a beautiful blue. Look at that. Yep, selling some of his gold. Not a big chunk of gold, but anyway, they are, I mean, you can see them across the room. You'll see that. They are gorgeous. Also, the update is this one was by itself, but it is marked. Mark 925 in China. I believe it is turquoise. Not, you know, not New Mexico turquoise, but another kind of turquoise. So that was cool. How's everybody's weekend been? The sun finally came out and it was a beautiful day. I worked yesterday and today, but I'm going back to work tomorrow. I wanted to go through this with you all. This is a box of beads and whatnots that I got from the thrift store that John works at. And I forget how much they were, but I will probably be listing most of this. Unless something silver, we'll be looking. That looks like it might be. So we'll look at some of that right now. That might be plated because I see the plating coming off. Probably plated. But it looks good. I'm going to test it. I don't see a mark. And I looked through things already. This piece, it's missing a little bit of the inlay here. I think it's an eagle or thunderbird or something like that. And it is, I believe, a Taxco piece. So I was really thrilled to find that in there. I think it's like for a bolo tie. And I guess it goes like that, but I would think it went like that. It's nice and heavy. Like, this is not really a bead. I don't know what it is. It's just got a hole in the bottom. You know, these are just like, it looks like somebody's jewelry making whatnots. Belt buckle. Plastic pieces. Let's see what's over here in these beads. This belt buckle is really nice. It just seems really old. I mean, look at that. whatever you call that piece. And then there's a bunch of them in here that are mother of pearl, or I never remember the other one. That's plastic. There's a glass one. I believe that's glass, plastic. Then these little ones that are in that condition of, you know, the vintage from Japan pearl necklaces, missing the finish usually. And then these are, oh, this says something. Do unto others. I guess this is our inspirational tonight. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. All right, that was unexpected. Not marked. Jaguar head. It looks like it's cast aluminum. This piece on top looks like it could be sterling, but I don't know if it's marked or not. No. Plastic. I don't think that's real stones. That's pretty. These are plastic pieces here. So that's that. I'll probably have to get it out of this little box, which I really don't want to do. Let me see if it's broken or not. It doesn't really close very good. Yeah, it doesn't close too good. So that is our Sunday night. We looked through that, and I'm going to, you know, get it moved on out of here. And let's do a reading. Are we December the 1st? $1979, December the 1st. O star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright. John H. Hopkins Carroll. In New Mexico, where I live, there is a wonderful custom at Christmas time, a tradition the Spanish villages along the Rio Grande have been carrying for 3 centuries. The Spanish word for it is luminarias, or little lights. The lights, short candles placed in paper bags partly filled with sand, are placed along roads, walks, and rooftops to light the way for the Christ child. When luminarias are lighted on Christmas Eve, all other lights in and around the home are extinguished. The glow of the candle through the paper bag in the dark of night, multiplied by thousands of such lights, is a lovely sight. I like to think of these luminarias represent all the little deeds of kindness and expressions of love that make Christmas so precious. Now, as we enter the Christmas season, I want to concentrate on these and other ways to light the path for Him. Help us, Lord, to be little lights for your Son this Christmas. All right, that's a Sunday night. I hope y'all are doing great. Have a great week, and hopefully I'll be talking to y'all soon.